Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Just getting ready for bed. It's like 11, it's about 11:30. So just want to finish this video for you guys. Been a busy day, but yeah, so the first clip is just working outside, doing more of the little rectangular square lights on the side of the building on the columns, and then also got into a few of the I don't know what the under eave, not like a eave, but little under walkway. There's some lights up there on the wood, under siding or whatever you want to call it. So did a few of those lights, which were actually pretty cool. Pretty nice looking lights and pretty easy to install. So really thought those were nice and enjoyable to put in. And then the last thing I worked on was roughing in some boxes. Didn't get a chance to wire them yet, but roughed in 6 of these boxes for when the cars drive into the parking garage. There's going to be 3 lights on one side, 3 lights on the other side, and then it's going to be sheetrocked. So just have to run the wire and then put the mud rings in, but I'm sure someone else will do that since I'm going somewhere else to work tomorrow. But I just wanted to give you guys an update before I went to bed. And hopefully you enjoyed this. So anyways, maybe I'll just throw the clips at the end and tell you goodbye right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Getting close to 800 subscribers. If you want to help me out, I'd greatly appreciate that. If you drop a like, it would also help me out, and say thanks. So I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.